Hello, good morning. My name is Muhammad Rajuan Grianto from Semarang. My name 610142088 from Department of Physical Education and Recreation. How are you guys? I hope you will be fine and stick to protocol. Here I will explain about the favorite sport of the football, about the basic of playing football. Football or soccer is one of the most popular sport in the world. One of the reasons is that the only equipment the sport needs is a ball, cleats, singward, and any makers from the goals. Bring into teams and the game is on. Informal games can therefore be very easily set up. The game consists of two teams of 11 players. One of the player is considered a goalkeeper or goalie, and that player objective is not to allow the ball to go into the goal. The goalkeeper is the only player who may handle the ball, but only in the penalty area that he is defending. The other than field player objective is to score by putting the ball into their opponent's goal, while trying to avoid conceding goals. They do this by dribbling, passing, and eventually shooting the ball. The field player can use any part of their body except their hand, or the duration of the game is 90 minutes, with a chance of ends and an interval of not more than 15 minutes. After 45 minutes, the referee may make allowance for time lost in each half. Once the game is over, the team that scores the most goals, the number of times the ball goes in the goals, is declared the winner. In the case of a draw, and depending of the rules of the competition, a result may be reached by extra time of 30 minutes duration, or a penalty shootout. The field must be rectangular and either natural or artificial. The field size is directly proportional in league and international matches. General, the football field should be 105.68 meters or 115 yards or 74. But often each field has different dimensions. The longer sides of the field are called touch lines, while the shorter sides are called goal lines. Fields are divided into two halves, with each team defending their own goal. Adjacent to the goal lines are the 80-yard and 6-yard box, which signify where the goal and goalkeepers are. The 80-yard box is also known as the penalty area, from where penalty shots can be taken after a foul is committed by the defending team. After this, I will show some basic movement in the flying ball.
Ciralu.